why I want to work in Google. So the first why I want to work in Google because the facilities. So in Google there's so many facilities, and the first is the facilities in Google, that is cafe. So Google have some facilities at cafe, and the food in the cafe is free too. So the worker can take without giving money, without using money to get a food in the Google. And the next day is the Miko kitchen. So the workers can make food or something in Google, like making some rice with other, or making a noodle. And so the worker can, if the worker hungry or need some food, if or they want to make their food become more tasty, they can go to the Miko kitchen. And Google gives the worker a gym. So the worker can get a healthy lifestyle. So the worker will become healthy because there's a gym. So if the worker like want to make good a body, so there's the gym. And the next there's the room. So if the worker was like a little bit sleepy or want to take a rest, there's a nap room for the worker to take a rest. Like, and so the worker can get some more focus when work in the Google. And after that, there is the prayer room. So this is good because so in other country we don't know there is where the prayer room, like masjid or mosque, where the mosque. So but here there's the prayer room, so we can pray in the prayer room. So we can pray in the prayer room and not late for doing prayer. And after all that, we will have some like outdoor areas like rooftop or park, so the worker can call, can relax for a time in the Google office. So the worker can sit on the park or relaxing in the park, and after that going to cafes, eating, and going to gym after that. And after all that, Google have some facility that can have like PK7, like like a medicine for ourselves, like medicine of our thing that like diabetes or something. And Google has some place that there's so many design or like seni, like design, like some kind of art in Google. And because of that, the first was facilities, and the second is the wage. So Google give the worker so many wage, so many big wage, like big money per month, like, but the money is up to the rank. So in Google there's like a rank. So the more high your rank, more better your wage you get on Google. And because of that, I want to work in Google because the facilities and the wage. So if I get so much money, I can make my mother to go to umroh and help my brother's school or something. And because of that, I want to work in Google. And the plus for the work in Google, if working Google, we get some relaxed place. Like we want to make the project in where. So like this, Google give us some place that we can relax getting project. While we make some project that is so big, like so hard to make, but we can take some place that is good for us, so we can focus on the project that we want. And plus we can get from the free food, so we can more focus if we are hungry or something, you can go to the cafe or the computer. And because of that, and if we're some like dizzy or stomach hurt, so you can go to the facility or medicine. So because that, I want to work in Google. And oh yeah, in the wages is different with the like in Indonesia. There is some different like in the USA or in Indonesia. And I want why I want to work in Google become the software engineer, because like my SMK I want to become the RPL. So when I work in Google, I want to become the software engineer, and the wage is so high too if become software engineer. It's up to the rank too. Like in there's some, and someone can get so many money from the software engineer. And maybe that's all for me. Sorry for mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.